Hi guys! Welcome again to another ronTechPH unboxing. Para sa araw na ito, we are going to unbox the Huawei latest wireless earbuds at ito ang Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Kung ready ka na, let's dive in and unbox it. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para lagi kang updated. At huwag niyo rin kalimutang i-like at i-share ang video na ito. Also kindly follow me on my Instagram for more tech and lifestyle updates. As we open the box, makikita natin agad ang charging case ng Huawei FreeBuds 3i. At sa loob nito, makikita natin ang dalawang wireless earbuds. As we continue to explore the box, makikita natin na meron pang dalawang box sa loob. Now, let's open the first box. Pagkabukas natin sa box, makikita natin ang isang USB Type-C charging cable at tatlong pares ng replaceable rubber ear tips for wireless earbuds na merong small, medium, and large sizes. Ngayon, buksan natin ang pangalawang box. Dito, makikita natin ang isang warranty card, safety information guide, quick start guide at isang QR code para sa AI Live app. Pag-uusapan natin ang AI Live application sa susunod na video at kung bakit importante na meron tayo nito para sa ating Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Ngayon, magpunta tayo sa Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Makikita natin na ito ay napakaganda at premium looking salamat sa glossy finish na meron ito. The color that we have here is ceramic white but it is also available in carbon black. Sa may gitnang harapan, makikita natin ang isang LED light indicator for charging. Sa may likod naman, makikita natin ang isang power button at isang USB Type-C port for charging. Good news guys, ang Huawei FreeBuds 3i ay gumagamit ng USB Type-C, meaning mas mabilis na ang charging at kung Type-C na rin yung phone mo, hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng iba't ibang cable for charging. Pag binuksan natin ang charging case, makikita natin ang dalawang wireless earbuds at sa may gitna, makikita natin ang isang LED light indicator for connectivity. The wireless earbuds is held by a magnet to hold them in place for charging, kaya kahit alog-alogin natin ito, hindi siya matatanggal sa loob ng charging case. The wireless earbuds has a width of 41.8mm, a depth of 23.7mm, and a height of 19.8mm per earbuds. And it weighs approximately 5.5 grams per earbuds na sobrang gaan kapag nilagay sa tenga. Para naman sa charging case, it has a width of 80.7mm, a depth of 35.4mm, and a height of 29.2mm. And the charging case weighs approximately 51 grams na sobrang compact at gaan dalhin. Kapag nilagay natin yung wireless earbuds sa tenga natin, sobrang gaan gamitin and it fits perfectly on the ear. At nakakatulong din yung replaceable ear tips para mas fit siya gamitin sa tenga. Na kahit alog-alogin natin yung ulo natin, tumalon at tumakbo, tiwala ako na hindi siya mahuhulog. Tsaka gusto ko yung rubber ear tips niya kasi malambot at hindi masakit gamitin sa tenga kapag matagal nang ginagamit. Kasi merong earphones na kapag ilang oras mo na ginagamit, masakit na sa tenga. The Huawei FreeBuds 3i has an active and call noise cancellation audio technology na nakakatulong sa mas malinaw na pakikinig ng music at videos. At higit sa lahat, kapag meron kang mahalagang tawag na kailangan sagutin at nasa lugar ka na maingay, ang Huawei FreeBuds 3i can cancel out any unnecessary noise on the background up to 32 decibels for better listening and conversation. Meron din siyang tatlong dedicated mic system that helps you to accurately pick up your voice while avoiding any noise on the background, which means everything you say is clear regardless of the noises. Upon experiencing it and using it, it really cancels out any unwanted noises on the background. For the Huawei FreeBuds 3i connectivity, it runs the latest Bluetooth 5.0 kaya pwede mo siyang gamitin at i-connect on different Android and iOS devices. All you need to do is to open the charging case of the Huawei FreeBuds 3i, then long press the button at the back of the charging case. If the LED light indicator starts blinking, you're now able to turn your Huawei FreeBuds 3i into a searchable device. Then go to your phone or any device you want to connect it and go to the Bluetooth settings of your device and try to search for the Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Then connect it and we are done. you can now enjoy listening to your favorite music using your wireless earbuds. It also support a pop-to-open function for connectivity na kapag binuksan mo yung charging case ng Huawei FreeBuds 3i, automatic na siyang magko-connect sa device mo. But you can only utilize the pop-to-open function if you are using a Huawei device that runs the latest EMUI 10. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang battery ng Huawei FreeBuds 3i. For the wireless earbuds, it has a 37 mAh battery capacity per earbuds that can last up to 3.5 hours music and video playback and 2.5 hours talk time. For the charging case, it has a 410 mAh battery capacity and you can use the wireless earbuds up to 14.5 hours music and video playback and 10.5 hours talk time. The Huawei FreeBuds 3i has a 1.15 hours total charging time in both wireless earbuds and charging case. At kung itatanong nyo kung nagsosupport ito ng wireless charging, the answer is no. You can only charge it through its dedicated USB Type-C cable. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang wireless earbuds sa market on the same price range na nag-o-offer ng wireless charging. The Huawei FreeBuds 3i supports a tap gestures in both earbuds. On default, if you want to activate the noise cancellation, all you need to do is to long tap the earbuds and wait for the voice saying noise cancellation. And if you want to pause the music or video that you are listening and watching, all you need to do is to double tap the earbuds to pause it. Pero pwede mo pa naman baguhin yung indicated gestures ng wireless earbuds at ito ay isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin sa susunod na video. I tried to use and connect the Huawei FreeBuds 3i on both Android and iOS devices and they work perfectly fine. I can use both noise cancelling and default tap gestures. Pero meron lang ilang disadvantages kapag ginamit mo ang Huawei FreeBuds 3i on iOS device at isa ito sa mga pag-uusapan natin sa susunod na video. Kapag tinanggal natin ang isa o parehas ang wireless earbuds sa tenga natin, automatic na titigil ang music o video na pinapanood natin. Meaning, nadedetect ng Huawei FreeBuds 3i kung ginagamit natin siya o hindi. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang price ng Huawei FreeBuds 3i. The Huawei FreeBuds 3i retails for 5,990 pesos, available in all Huawei and certified retail stores nationwide. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin ang bell button para lagi kang updated. At huwag niyong kalimutang i-like at i-share ang video na ito. Also kindly follow me on my Instagram for more tech and lifestyle updates. Have a nice day everyone. Also, kindly watch this video that I think you might enjoy.